New York. An Air France jetliner heading from Paris to New York was escorted by U.S. fighter planes for the last stretch of the trip Monday because of a threat against the flight, the airline said. Flight AF022 landed at JFK Airport without incident and was later taken to a special area of the airport for a security search, an Air France official in Paris said. The threat was made by telephone from the United States. The Air France official said Pentagon officials were not immediately available for comment following the incident, which occurred as the United States marked its Memorial Day holiday.